Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ubaidillah, a student in Madura University. I'm from Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, especially in the Mathematics Education Study Program. I want to explain the cubes and blocks. Enjoy for waiting. Understanding cube and blocks. Cube and blocks are two building spaces that we often encounter in everyday life. Let's get to know more about both. Cube. The cube has 6 equally large sides and 12 ribs that are made to form a 90-degree angle. Beam. The beam also has 6 sides but has different lengths, widths, and heights. Formulas of cube and blocks. To calculate various things related to cubes and blocks, here are some formulas you can use. Number 1. Cube. Surface area 6 times S times S. Number 2. Beam. Surface area 2 times P times L plus P times X plus L times X. Characteristic of cube and blocks. There are several characteristics that distinguish cube and blocks. Let's take a look at some of them. Cube. The characteristics of the cube include symmetrical, having angles that form ring angles, and having the same side lengths. Beam. The characteristics of the beam are that it has 6 sides, has different lengths, widths, and heights, and angles that form ring angles. Comparison of cube and blocks. Now, let's compare cube and blocks based on some interesting aspects. Surface area. The cube has the same surface area for all sides, while the beam has different surface area based on the length, height, and width of the side. Volume. The cube has the same volume on X sides, while the beam has different volume based on the length, height, and width of the side. Examples of the application of cube and blocks. There are many examples where cubes and blocks can be applied in everyday life. Here are some of them. Cube, Rubik board, structure boxes in building blocks are examples of cube application. Beam, swimming pools, tables, and Containers are some examples of the application of beams in our lives. Benefits of using cubes and blocks. The use of cubes and blocks has several benefits that can be felt in various situations. Some of the benefits are: number 1. Cube. Cube can be used to train logical thinking and creativity and strengthen problem-solving skills. Number 2. Beam. Beam can be used as a strong and sturdy building structure, as well as facilitate the stroke of goods. Conclusion: cube and blocks are two space buildings that are often used in daily life and have various differences and benefits. By understanding the basic context of both, we can apply them in a variety of situations and improve our understanding of space and form.